So you guys do not resent. So I don't want to do anything.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's makeup look. Maybe I should do another intro because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm gonna do it. Alright, so I already washed and prepped my face and I have on a primer. Alright, describe what mommy is doing.
Oh, what am I doing here?
Okay, so I know what mommy's doing. She is putting on her makeup on for you. And so I don't know why. She's doing a YouTube channel. Okay, so mommy's doing her makeup and I don't know why. So she has no responsible to do that. But she can do it all the time. So she's doing a YouTube channel and I don't know why, okay? So you guys do not resent. So I don't want to do anything. So that's gonna be the hardest thing I'm ever gonna tell you. So I'm not gonna tell you it because I am Levi. So why I wanna tell you?
What's his mommy doing in the video, Levi?
You're doing your lipstick. I don't know. Oh, and so I did not know my mom wanted peanuts and raisins. So she asked.
Help me! Help me!
So if you want to do it again, then subscribe to my channel. And my mom's channel. See you in the next video. I'm just kidding. Mom,
Yes.
listen Remy.
I need backup!
So Remy's in my video as well. You can see she's behind. Remy, look at the video. So Remy wants to talk. Remy, talk. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so Remy just said hi. She wants to join the video with me. So, if you want to describe, Rem, what is mommy doing? Lip. Good, she said makeup and lips. So, you guys know that mommy is doing some things.
Stop playing anti-tricky things. What is mommy doing on the screen, guys? What is mommy doing on the screen?
You're doing your lipstick.
The whole video me had the lipstick. Me can't do nothing else but lipstick.
You're doing your eye things and your cheek and your hair and everything. Ooh. Wow.
What's mommy doing, Remy?
Lip.
Lip? Oh, one big lip me have on my neck.
Wow.
Looks good?
Oh, mama.
What's mommy doing now?
Okay, you're doing your eyes to go big and go big, go strong.
Wow, look, mommy's finished. What do you think now?
Go.
What do you think of mommy's
You
look?
look very, very pretty.
Oh, thank you, Levi.
Makeup is so good. Once you finish, you're so pretty. But I want to show you the real video. And so, I said the real video, of course. So, I want to tell you guys that you are my friend, boy. So, boy is boy and girl is girl.
No, Remy.
Take a